Did you know cockroaches can live for weeks without their heads? Thanks to their decentralized nervous system and unique biology, these resilient insects are considered some of the toughest creatures on Earth. From surviving radiation to thriving in extreme conditions, the cockroach continues to shock scientists and gross out the rest of us. Crazy cockroach facts. Headless survivors. They breathe through spiracles, tiny holes in their body, not their mouths. No blood pressure. Unlike humans, they don't need a head to prevent blood loss. Decentralized brain function. Their nerve clusters allow them to function without a brain for days. Radiation resistance. Cockroaches can withstand levels of radiation that would kill a human. Egg-laying survivors. Even when injured, females can still lay eggs, keeping the cycle going. Want to know why cockroaches may outlive us all? Watch now to explore the science behind their near indestructibility. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more shocking science and nature facts.